Nike is reviving the Air Max Plus this holiday 2025 with a daring twist. The iconic sneaker, famed for its flame-like overlays and tuned air cushioning, arrives in a sleek black and metallic silver colorway. Black mesh uppers pair with glossy TPU layers and tonal accents, while metallic silver details highlight the cage system and midfoot swoosh, creating a subtle but striking contrast. Resting on the classic Air Max Plus midsole packed with visible tuned air units, it balances performance and comfort. Yet the true highlight is its collectible accessory, a chain hanging from the laces featuring a miniature sneaker pendant and TN badge charm, honoring the silhouette's streetwear legacy. Blending stealth aesthetics with a unique touch, this release transforms the Air Max Plus into both footwear and a keepsake. Expect the drop on Nike.com and select retailers during the holiday 2025 season.